Quick app in Swarmauri. Interacting with GitHub using Swarmauri's GitHub toolkit. Before I start building, I want to display the versions of Python, Swarmauri SDK and Gradle. My Python version is version 3.10.12 and my Swarmauri SDK version is version 7.5.0 and my Gradle version is version 4.44.0. Now let's go on to import OS, import Gradle, load the .env, import our LLM, import the two agents, GitHub toolkit and conversation. Now we need to load our environment variable and you need to get the LLM API key. You need to get the GitHub access token and we need to instantiate the LLM and the GitHub toolkit with the access token. Then I want to create a two agents and display the model name. Then I want to define the function to be executed for the Gradle interface. Then I want to initialize the Gradle interface and run the application. So I want to tell it to list my GitHub repositories. Yeah, as you can see, these are my GitHub repositories for my account. And okay, I want to create a new repository named Berry. So you can say create a new repository named Berry. So you can see how it's interact with my GitHub. So it's great. Yes, so it successfully created a repository named Berry under my account and I can check it here. So I want to list my repository to see if the Berry has been added. So list my GitHub repositories again. So yeah, as you can see at the top at number 28, that's my GitHub, new GitHub repository. So if you want to get your GitHub access token, you have to go to developer settings, personal access tokens, click generate new token and enter the details as prompted. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join our Discord server and contribute to our repository.